Hey, Dan O'Barr, Magical Spain. Just right here with one of my groups, private group from California. We're doing a little cooking class, interactive, a lot of fun with some good wine, and then we're going to be eating here in Barcelona. So let's go take a look at it. All right. So let's see how we're doing here. Whoa, look at these guys. So what do you? So what did you do?
I took care of the tomatoes. I peeled them and quartered them and seeded them, and then massed them up into a liquid. Added some olive oil, water, salt and pepper.
Wow!
And we're going to have soup.
Awesome.
With a pesto and Parmesan garnish.
Good deal.
How's that sound?
Good deal. There you go. Sounds delicious. Sounds delicious. Gary's got some wine going in. That's a good-looking rosé there. And where's that one from?
This is from Gomez, with Anna there.
Oh, with Anna in the Rioja. Yeah. Yeah.
We bought some of the rosé. It didn't have a label on it because it was so new.
Right.
Fresh and lovely.
That's new.
That was fantastic.
Yeah, we were in the Rioja for a few days. That was a lot of fun. Good deal. Look at that paella we got going on here. Just take a look down here. Shrimp, some squid, some pantomaca. Still there. Whoa, look at the tortilla. There we go. So Albert, how you feeling there, big guy?
Much better.
You're looking better.
Sharon's doing better too.
Yeah, Sharon, you're looking much better. Good. Yeah. Good deal. You guys are doing good here.
Rally for the end.
Rally for the end. There we go.
This is fun.
Good deal.
It's fun.
Good deal.
These are great guys.
All right. So we got a little Gran Fudo. So this is, yeah. Tortilla española.
Now, when you put it back a little bit like that, we do it slow. That means